Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on creating barcode and QR code images in C#. So today we're going to be diving into barcode creation using the powerful library IronBarcode. So IronBarcode is an advanced .NET library, and assuming that you've already installed it, let's just jump right into the program.cs file and see it in action. Okay, so first let's just understand the code that we've got here. We're going to start by importing the IronBarcode namespace using IronBarcode, and this gives us access to all of its features. And next, we're going to be creating a QR code that embeds IronBarcode's URL. So we've defined a size of 500 pixels and a high error correction level for this QR code. So after generating our barcode, we're going to save it in various formats: JPEG, GIF, PNG, TIFF, and even as a Windows bitmap. So with our code ready, let's run the project and wait for the output. Program executed. So it's time to check our output folder. And as you can see, IronBarcode has efficiently created all the images. So let's just take a closer look at each of these file types. JPEG or JPG, it's a commonly used method of lossy compression for digital images, usually ideal for most online uses. But the thing about IronBarcode is that it ensures that whatever file format you need, you're going to get a clear, readable barcode every single time. So that wraps up our tutorial on creating barcodes with IronBarcode. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. You can try Iron Software's 30-day trial license and experience the power of our software firsthand. Just click the link below in the description and try it out for yourself.